So we got some bison here on the side of the road. Check them out.
No, they run 40. Okay.
Dude, these are so cool.
Yeah, guess how fast.
The way that they move.
Guess how fast this
They're like nodding their heads.
Check it out. That car looks like a bison. My kids don't think I'm so funny. This is a part of Antelope Island. I forget what it's called. We found a little parking spot here and Martha said, "Ooh, I want to take a picture over there." So here we are. It's about 45 degrees, so it's pretty chilly, but it's really cool. I mean, this thing is massive. And when I say this thing, I mean the lake. From my understanding, it's so full of salt that if you go to swim in it, you just outright float, which is pretty neat. But because of that as well, there's no fish. Like, there's no fishing here. Sebastian, he says that I'm slow. I don't think I'm slow. I'm a pretty agile fat guy. Right?
What?
That I'm a pretty agile fat guy?
Yeah, for sure.
I'm fat for a fat guy. I mean, I'm fat for a fat guy. I'm fast for a fat guy. We're up here in a place called Buffalo Point. So this is part of the island. And I think this is the highest point of the island with the exception of that area over there. But I don't think you can actually access that. This looks pretty cool, huh? Next time we come here, we're staying in that campground right there. That's pretty cool. So this was a short hike, but in certain places pretty steep. My calves are burning. This is pretty cool though. What a view. Wow, this is so sick. That's pretty cool. Holy shit. Don't fall down, don't eat shit. I really like this place. It's like super chill. Great views. Short hike. Definitely coming back here and camping in this area because this is really, really nice. Really nice. Right?
Yep.
Little Red Riding Hood. Hood.